Hello, my name's James and I'm from Preston Baker in Selby. I'm really excited today to show you this brand new property that's been launched to the market. It's available to view for the first time on Saturday the 29th of June. The property is Brocklands on York Road in Cliffe. Cliffe, it's a really popular village, great for commuting to York, Selby, Hull or even Leeds. The motorway network is really close by. The property has 4 bedrooms, all beautifully presented. Let's go and have a look. So the property's entered through this beautiful entrance hallway with a tile floor, and it gives access to the first reception room. So this reception room, currently used as a snug, will also lend itself to a playroom or a large office space. So the second reception room is this beautiful lounge. It's got a bay window to the front, which bathes the room in sunlight. It's a great space for the family, which leads on to the dining room to the rear. So this lovely dining space to the rear of the property gives access to the rear garden through these patio doors. It's a lovely entertaining space. And then through here is the extended kitchen diner with conservatory. Let's go and have a look. So welcome to this stunning kitchen. The kitchen offers loads of storage. Got marble work surfaces, a Belfast sink, and just look at the range cooker as well. The kitchen offers stunning views over the rear garden and the fields beyond. Let's go and have a little look at the conservatory to the rear, which offers even more space for the family. So this stunning conservatory was added by the current vendors, offers even more space for the family, gives access to the rear garden, really takes advantage of these open views to the rear. So now that we've had a look at the ground floor accommodation, let's have a look at the first floor, which is equally as spacious. Let's take a look. So this spacious first floor landing gives access to 4 double bedrooms. The master bedroom has an ensuite. There's also a family bathroom with a shower. Let's have a look at the master bedroom. So the master bedroom is a lovely light and airy room. It offers built-in storage, and as you can see, with good sized double bed, there's still plenty of room, and there's the added benefit of a beautifully presented ensuite. So as I mentioned, all of the bedrooms are a great size and would all fit a double bed. This is the second bedroom, 2 windows to the front, again which bathes the room in sunlight. Okay, so here's the third bedroom. Again, it's a great size, some built-in storage in this room, and with it being at the rear of the property, it really takes advantage of the open views over the farmland to the rear. Okay, so welcome to the family bathroom. The bathroom has been upgraded by the current vendors over the years and it's beautifully presented. There's a bath, wash hand basin, WC and also a shower. It's got this beautiful flooring. Okay, so welcome to the rear garden. It's a good sized garden. There's a paved patio seating area and a great lawn if you have a family for the children to play on. The borders are really well stocked with mature plants. There's some lovely ornamental grasses, a clematis, even some lovely ferns at the back there as well. But the standout thing really is this view at the back is absolutely superb.